Hey guys, so in today's video we will gonna learn how to use virtual background on your Zoom. So first you have to launch your Zoom application, or I am using the browser. So the meeting is already on. You can join any meeting that you want. Then you can see this setting option on the bottom. Tap on that and go to the background. Here you can see you can blur it or use any picture that is available here. There is multiple options for you, like this. You just have to tap on that picture. You can choose more. Even you can choose the picture from your gallery or from your device. You can see this plus option on the top of the pictures. Tap on that and here your device pictures or galleries can be open. You can search any picture that you want to choose. Here I am choosing this picture. Open it and it will be downloaded here, and you can choose it like this. I hope this video is useful for you and you like it, and don't forget to share it with your friends.